Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fill an oxygen bladder in Icarus. Now, to make the oxygen bladder, first you have to be at least level 10 to unlock tier 2 buildings or tier 2 materials or items. And first, you have to make the oxygen bladder here and the oxide dissolver right here. Now, I already crafted the oxygen bladder, which costs for 20 pieces of fiber, 30 pieces of leather, and 8 pieces of bone. Once you're done making that, make sure to make the oxide dissolver as well. Now, my friend and I already have the oxide dissolver right here. If I press to interact with this thing, now if I want to fill them up, I have to make sure that there's oxide in the storage here as well. Now, since this is pretty much full, I'm going to place this down. And this as well. And as you can see, it's currently filling up the first oxygen bladder right here. And it will start to consume the oxides here as well. And that's about it on how to fill an oxygen bladder in Icarus.